Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss how to use graphic objects. P is equal to point inside the bracket 50, 60. This is the constructor for point class. Point is the class. Point 50, 60. 50, 60 is the two parameters of the point class. Two parameters giving the x and y coordinates for the new point class. This value stored as a instance variables inside the object. Here P is object, x is 50, y value is 60. How P object perform? P dot set fill inside the bracket red. Set fill is the method. Red is one parameter of this method. Method is invoked using the dot notation. Number and type of the parameters is determined by method being used. I think you watched many examples in my previous video. If not, click on the above link and continue. Okay, what is SSRs? P dot get x, P dot get y. As I told, these two methods return x and y value. They allow to access information, so it is called SSRs. Another method to change the value of the object is move method, M-O-V-E, move method. Move two parameters dx and dy. Dx means x direction, dy means y direction. To move P to the right 10 units, statement is P dot move 10, 0. This change of state is called mutators. X value becomes 60, means 50 plus 10, 60. See the structure of constructor circle. CIRC is equal to circle, point, two parameters, after that one parameter radius, bracket close. This is circle constructor using the another constructor, that is point, as a first parameter. Win is equal to graph win. CIRC dot draw win. Let's see, behind the scenes a lot more is happening, like draw method lives inside the CIRC object using the information about the center and radius of circle from instance to graph win. To draw two eyes, code is left eye is equal to circle constructor you have to use, left eye dot set the color, fill color and set outline color red, right eye is equal to left eye, initializing left eye to right eye, then move statement. This idea create left eye and then copy that into a right eye, which is then moved over 20 units. Correct coding is, see the coding. As it is, you have to write 2 times for left eye and right eye. Next one is using the clone method from library, we can set first approach. See the coding. Only change is right eye is equal to left eye dot clone. Here I am using the clone function. So strategic use make the task easy. Thank you.